It's very interesting. If you look at young children and young adults, games are the easiest way for them to learn new information. Games are educative, games are engaging, games are two-way. So we are hoping that CityQuest becomes the way through which an average Indian in urban cities, in smaller towns, in villages, we're hoping that Urban Quest is how Indians learn about the Vikas journey of India across various parameters. And we're really hoping that CityQuest is taken up seriously by people, not just from an enjoyment point of view, but also from the point of view of appreciating what we have achieved as a nation. We are starting to lead very polarized and insular lives, where we are barely able to appreciate how other people live and the experiences they go through. Now, through CityQuest, we are hoping that somebody sitting in Agartala recognizes what's interesting about Ahmedabad or Rajkot or whatever. Somebody sitting in Srinagar realizes what Coimbatore has achieved, what Trivandrum has achieved. So what we're really trying to hope here is that awareness about other cities and what makes them cool. We're hoping that is something that grows in a player's mind, which then makes us come together as a nation, which reduces the othering, which reduces the polarization that unfortunately we see a lot of in today's day. B, you see, भारत जो है वो एक बहुत ही सीरियस विकास की जर्नी के थ्रू जा रहा है आज की डेट में। उस विकास में कुछ लोग मेट्रो देखते हैं, कुछ लोग नए स्कूल देखते हैं, कुछ लोग नया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं, कुछ लोग एयरपोर्ट देखते हैं, कुछ लोग नई टेक्स्ट बुक्स देखते हैं. बट थ्रू दिस वन गेम वी होप दैट a user or a player will get to see the broad spectrum of progress that the government has been able to literally gift all of us over the last 10-15 years. You see, the whole objective of the e-Gaming Federation is for the gaming industry to be a force for good for us as a nation and for us as a civilization. Gaming is a force for good. Gaming is a tool for education. Gaming is a lever for us to build togetherness, and we've tried to bring all these three components together as part of CityQuest. So we're really hoping that we start appreciating what is interesting in other cities, what is interesting in us collectively as a nation through playing this game. Traditionally, this has happened through newspaper, through film division ka reel before a film plays. A lot of those legacy dissemination mechanisms have been used. A game talking about the development story is perhaps the first time that we are seeing this as a nation. So this is a really fascinating game. You could click on the QR code, download the game and set yourself in pretty much half a minute. Now what happens after that is you will be dealt a set of 11 cards, so there's 11 rounds. There is one card per city and you don't know what you might get. You might get Coimbatore, you might get Agra, you might get Bhopal, you might get Jabalpur, whatever. There are 6 parameters which are based on the Sustainable Development Goals published by the Niti Aayog. So har ek card pe 6 parameters aapke rahenge. You have to click on the parameter which you think is the highest. Now, the interesting thing is you are playing against Vishwakarma, which is the computer. And as you know that there is a lot of ancient connection we have to Vishwakarma as an idea. So you are playing against Vishwakarma. Oh, this is a fascinating question. So there are really 3 phases to the game. 1, you download it. 2nd, you play it. And the 3rd is you win some really fascinating and cool prizes. To download it, you just need to go to the QR code on your phone, download it on the phone and set up. It barely takes 30 seconds. It's automatically tied to your profile. The playing is really interesting because every player gets 11 cards where each card represents a different city. Now each city has, so you could get Agra, you could get Bhopal, you could get Jabalpur, Agartala, Kolkata, Coimbatore, Tuticorin, whatever. Now each card has the same 6 parameters. So while playing it on your mobile phone, you click on the parameter that you think is the strongest. It could be equity, gender equity, it could be infrastructure, education, whatever. And either you win the card or you're playing against Vishwakarma, which is the computer. So either you win the card or Vishwakarma wins your card. And the player that wins the most cards wins. Now, coming to the prizes, what you could do if you play continuously and have long streaks is you could accumulate these points as an individual and win some very cool prizes, including an all expenses trip to come to Delhi, join the Waves event, meet everybody else, see the expo, participate in the events, etc. So that could happen. The other cool feature we have is that we are getting cities to compete against each other. So you can be a part of your own city and get your friends and family locally. And then there are city leaderboards as well. So, you could have, for example, Lucknow competing against Hyderabad, not on whose biryani is better, but on who's playing City Quest better. And then we will get leaders from Lucknow or Hyderabad, whoever wins, to actually come over to Waves, hang out with us. So I think it's really, really fascinating. Beyond the educational part, I think the real fun is in winning. Really, I'm hoping we can achieve two things out of this game. One is, as a nation, we really need to start appreciating what we have collectively achieved. This is not the government or the municipality or the police or the pollution control board. It is all of us that make a nation, and each of us is living the vikas that we have created for ourselves, and we should pat ourselves on our back for that. The second thing is, as with time, we will start updating the game with newer data that the Niti Aayog publishes. So then you can see the needle movement in your own city and in other cities as well. So we're really hoping to achieve an understanding at this stage, and then an appreciation where we see ourselves growing year on year. The second thing we hope to achieve really is a better appreciation of the game tech industry. You see, people have very unidimensional and perceptions that are not necessarily, I would say, accurate about the gaming industry. We have made games that are helping a whole bunch of civic society achieve educational objectives, gender equity, participation of the Divyang populations, etc., etc. But those parts are not very well appreciated about the industry itself. At EGF, our foundational vision is that gaming is a force for good. Just the way technology is a force for good, artificial intelligence can be a force for good, machine learning is a force for good, so is gaming. City Quest is a very, very small proof of concept, a very small offering from the E-Gaming Federation to be able to showcase what we can achieve if we put gaming to good use. You see, it's very interesting. Currently, भारत में जो है A, B, C और D towns divided हैं. हम लोग, what we're noticing is a lot of C towns are becoming B towns are becoming A towns are becoming metros. So I think we're going through a rapid urbanization, not just of the historical centers, but even regionally. Now, what I'm hoping is, A, we have more and more cards or cities that get added on to City Quest. So that's one. Second is, when we go back and update City Quest every year, you have somebody looking at a card from 2024 and 2025 and 2026 and say, "Arey, ye index to aisa बढ़ गया है." Right? Now, something that we feel experientially, it used to take me 40 minutes to travel, now it takes me only 25 minutes. और सोचे कि अच्छा, स्कूल के लिए मेरे पिताजी को नदियाँ पार करके जाना पड़ता था, मैं बस में चला जाता हूँ. सो ये जो एक्सपीरियंशियल एनेक्डोटल चीज़ें हैं, उसको लोग जो है गेम फॉर्मेट में देखेंगे. सो वी आर होपिंग दैट पीपल आर एबल टू ट्रैक दैट प्रोग्रेस एज वी मूव फॉरवर्ड. So like I said, it's a fun way of learning. It's a very, very small gift from EGF or from the gaming industry to the Vikasit Bharat journey. And I think it is very, very important for us to be grateful and appreciative and count our blessings. And I think the fact that we've been born in India, the fact that we've been born in India now, to me personally, is a blessing. So yeah, EGF is a small way of just achieving that and appreciating that. देखिए, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के कहने पे आप लोग लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक करते ही रहते हैं. हमारे कहने पे प्लीज स्कैन द QR कोड, डाउनलोड सिटी क्वेस्ट एंड प्ले. आई रियली होप you play, you win. We get to see you in Delhi in February at Waves. I really hope that you win really nice prizes, and ask your friends and family around in the city to also play. Why? Because there are not just individual prizes, but there are city level prizes. So I hope that you download City Quest by scanning the QR code here, and I hope you win, and I hope your city wins.